Hello everyone. Let me know am I audible to you or not? Hello. Hello Sanket. Am I audible? Great. Okay. So just wait for a 2 or 5 minutes and then we will start today's session. Just do share it this bootcamp with your friends and all college members so that they can join too. Hi Jyoti. Am I audible? Not clearly. Just let me know if I am audible or not. Then we will going to start today's session. So basically today we will going to understand about how to get off campus placement and how to get off campus opportunities or internship. And before going to that, let me introduce myself first. So I am Vishal Rajput, a final year undergraduate student from NSIT New Delhi and IIT Dwarka. And right now I am in a final year. And in last 2 years, I have worked for 5 startups as a front end developer intern. And all of that internship I got from off campus. And apart from that, I have participated in many open source programs where I have mentored around like thousands plus students regarding web development, regarding DSA, and open source. So till now, you can say I have a pretty much experience about front-end development, open source, mentoring, and all. And apart from that, I also do daily boot camps or upload videos on YouTube channel. So yeah, this is all about me. So just wait for a 2 or 5 minutes and then we will start. Hi Anand. Okay. Is my screen visible to you? Just let me know in the comment section. If my screen is visible or not, this dashboard. Hello. Just let me know. Yep. So yeah, great. So first of all, let's understand what is like. I hope you understand the main thing. What is off campus and what is on campus. So basically, there are two types of internship or placement you can get. So the first thing is you can get on campus internship. What is on campus? When companies visit your college and from where you get clear their interviews, clear their test, and after that you got internship. And second is off campus. And there are to get internship or a placement or any opportunity, there are totally different scenario in on campus and off campus. So there are many things which decide our on campus factor, but today we will focus about our off campus only. So I will tell you how I get so many opportunities off campus and how you can get. So before going ahead, just let me know in which year you are so that I can guide you accordingly. So you are in first year, second year, third year, just write it down. Graduated last month, third year, second year. Okay. Okay. third year, second year, and graduated. So nobody is from first year, second year, last, third year. Okay, so most of you are in a second or third year. So that's the best time to get an internship. Oh, third year. So I will let you know how to use that. Basically, you needed two to three things. The first thing I got is how. Let me tell you my journey, how I get it. So first of all, I am a 2019 23 batch. So I start my coding journey in second semester. In first semester I do nothing. So in the second semester I start doing DSA. And in 6 months I basically cover every topic from binary tree, linked list, DSA, stack, graph, all algorithms in 6 months. So I spent my 6 months to cover this DSA, and after that, August 2020, I start my development journey, and I start learning basically HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and after that there is one issue which like I faced, and might be you also faced that thing. The thing is, after watching the video, you see HTML video, CSS video, JavaScript video, but you do not know like what to do next. What to do? You know the things, but how to make project? This is the main concern that I have that time. So what I do is I start making an open source project. I start doing open source contribution. So today we will discuss about this DSA part. Today we are going to discuss about how to do front end development or how to get internships, and that I will also let you know what is open source. What is open source? And how this open source will help you to get more and more off-campus place opportunity. DSA means data structures and algorithms. Okay, so I guess now most of the students come, so we can start the session. So okay, let's start the session. So first of all, we will going to see what are the skills that we need to get an opportunity. Then first of all, I can say skills. Second, how to show those skills. Basically there are two things. First of all, you know the development, and second, how to show your recruiter, your like someone to whom you want to get like work under. Like if you want to work under any founder, co-founder, so you have to show your skills. Okay, so how do you show? You know the skills. So how to show your skills? And how to get off-campus opportunities. So you are in first year, second year, and third year. So just let me know like what are the things that you know. Like do you know front end, back end, or in what field you are, so that I can guide you accordingly. Just let me know what are the skills you have and what type of things you want to do. What types of, because before doing anything, you should be very clear that what you want. If you do not know, like if you don't know, you want internship, you want some programs, you want to some front end development internship, you want to work under an startup or an organization or an MNC. So depending on what is your focus, do you want to work in a startup? Your path will be different. You want to work in an MNC, your path will be very different. Okay, so first of all we will discuss about how to get internship in startup. Then we will discuss about the MNCs too. Okay, present learning AI. Okay, front end development, grip on front end. Okay, basically yes. So what we will do here is first of all skill section. So in skill section, if you are into front end development, I would say if you are into front end development or in any development, okay, I am going to tell you according to the front end development, and the relative terms also I will use, so that you will get how to use that thing. Okay, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you are watching. So front end development, what to do? Basically, to be very honest, if you want to learn front end development, how much front end development you should know? This is the first question you will have. Okay, Much front-end development you should know before applying for your first internship. Okay, I get. So the first thing you should know, at least before applying for any internship, you should know HTML, you should know CSS, and you should know basics of JavaScript. Not like closer, promises, not very high thing, just a basics of JavaScript. If you know these three things, then you can apply for the internship. And how much time it will take? I would say like to learn an HTML, it will hardly take 2 to 3 days to see how this whole tag works and how to add content into the website. If you see that, it will hardly take 2 to 3 hours. But if you are also making some projects, okay, let's say you are making some registration form, you are making some website which no design, so in that way it will hardly take 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 days. And then we will comes to this CSS part, where we will learn about too many properties and like values. We will learn about animation and many things. So this will take, I would say, if you are building some projects, learning Flexbox, grid and everything, then also it will take 6 to 7 days only. 6 to 7 days only. So in that, what you have to learn here, you can learn the simple tags. Here you have to learn basically how this CSS basic properties like background colors, this font, these things, basic properties. Then you have to learn CSS Flexbox. Then you have to learn CSS grid. You should know a basic how to make responsive media queries. So responsive website. How to make a responsive website using media query. If you know these things, basics of CSS, and here basics tags only, basics of HTML. And the thing is, before applying any internship, you can't learn everything of anything. Okay, you can learn something from everything, but you can't learn everything of anything. Okay, so it can't be possible you learn HTML, complete HTML. It can't be possible. There are thousands of tags, but you have to learn the basic of HTML only. Then you have to learn this CSS, which will hardly take 6 to 7 days. And just focus on building things. Do not just learn, just watching the tutorial, reading the articles, just like that, or thinking you know the thing. If you do not build the thing, then how you are doing development? Okay, so the first thing is you have to build the thing. While learning HTML, build 1 or 2 projects. While learning CSS, build 2-3 projects and build some designs. Okay, and after that this JSS. JS, I will say it will take hardly 15 days. Hardly. So how to learn JS? That's the big question, because I see most of the people who hate front-end development, who do not want to do front-end development, the reason is they do not understand what is JavaScript and how to master JavaScript. So basically, if you want to learn JavaScript, so first of all you have to learn the basic programming concept. What is variable, what is if else condition, how to use for loops, how to use while loops, what is function, what is array, what is object, what is string. You have to understand this basic concept. Do not directly JavaScript. After learning basic programming concept, or if you already know the programming concept, this will hardly take 1 day. If you do not know programming concept, then also it will take 2 to 3 days only. Okay, basic programming concept. And after learning basic programming, you have to learn how to this DOM work, how to change, add, delete content of HTML. Okay, so once you know these things, you should know like event handler. If you know these 2 to 3 things only, and saying event handler and well, asynchronous programming, you can say fetch API. Not I am going to much deep, but if you know these 2 to 3 things, okay, basic programming things, how DOM work, how to change the add and delete items of HTML, and event handler, how to add event, and this fetch API thing. If you know this thing only, and I will say this will hardly take 15 days. Hardly take. And in this, to learn fetch API, you can build 2 to 3 projects like weather API, like to profile view, any profile view, okay, any scraper. To this, you can learn any like for DOM, you can make to-do list, note app, something like this. So once you make something this, what will happen? In the 30 days, you will have at least, I will say 5 projects, which include some API related projects, which related some DOM related projects. So with the help of this, you have to come. Okay, so right now you know the basic thing. Now you have to go to the how to get your first internship. Okay, so let's understand the second thing, how to showcase. Okay, you know the thing, but you know the web development, you know the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, but how others will know that you know the thing? So the thing is LinkedIn, or I would say LinkedIn and Twitter, both of them. Use both of them. Make an account. If you are a student, it must compulsory. You do not have Insta account, no problem, but you must have this LinkedIn and Twitter account. Why? They have very awesome tech community. Okay, so what you have to do, if you are learning HTML, share what you are learning. Share what you are learning. Share, I have learned this things in HTML. Okay, I have learned how table work. I learned how form work. Okay, you have to share this thing. Okay, share your learning. Share your learning. Whatever you are learning, you are reading articles. Okay, you are reading a blog. What you have learned in that blog, share. Okay, once you do this, so what will happen? You will make a strong community which know your work, which know your worth, that you are worthy. You are not like someone who is lazy. You are someone who is continuously learning and building things. So share your learning. Second, share your work, proof of work. Like you share that you have learned this, but you haven't shared that you have implemented that thing. So for that, share your work. You know, in that 30 days you have learned so many things. Share. Okay, in 30 days you have built 5 or 6 projects at least. Share that thing. Okay, once you share those things, your connection will know that you know the web development. Now the second thing, now the third thing will come. So share your work. And while doing these two things, what you have to do, if you are sharing, then somebody should see that. Okay, for that you need a strong connection. You need a strong connection. So how to make a strong connection? That's very easy. Okay, you are learning web development. Okay, you are learning front end development. Are you the only who learning front end development? No, there are so many people who are learning front end development. Do connect with them. Just type front end developer. You will get so many front end developers. Connect with them. Okay, you engage with their post. They will engage with your post. You do a DM. Okay, do a DM. A very, because this LinkedIn is a very professional platform, so you have to write a very professional message and share what you are learning from their post. You can appreciate their learning, you appreciate their post, that from your post I learned these things. Okay, and so that they will also interact with you. Make a strong connection. Connect with founders to whom under, like, to under you want to work. Connect with, like, if you want to work in some MNC, connect with those employees. Okay, if you work if you want to make your own startup, connect with the founders who already building some startup. Whatever you want to do, make those type of connection. Okay, if you are in BTech, try to make connection from other BTech colleges. Okay, so this is the way you making strong connection. This is called, because right now degree does not matter. You are from tier 3, tier 2, tier 1, it doesn't matter. What matter is proof of work. If you know the thing, they will hire you. Okay, you should have proof of work. I hope this is clear. Let me know in the comment section if the things are clear to you. Okay, so till now we have discussed how to learn the thing. While learning things, do not only just watch and learn that and go in the tutorial help. Just build things, because while building things you will get so many errors. While resolving that error, you will understand things more better. So just let me know in the comment section if you are understanding this point. Then I will come to the very important part, which is our last part. How to get off-campus opportunity. Is thing clear to you? Let me know. Yeah. So what are the platform we are going to use to get this off-campus opportunity? So till now, what we have done, we have some skills. We have some skills. Okay. We have some connection. We have some connection. Now we can go to multiple parts. We already know skill, we already have this skill, so we add connection. From this connection we can go to freelance. You can ask your client, ask your connection, hey, I know this front end development, I can make a portfolio website for you, I can make these things, and this will very work. Okay, you can do a cold DM. I will let you know the template, how I use that template and got so many responses from that. For developer, writing portfolio is enough, or we can write more. Yeah, you can write. I didn't understand what you were saying. For developer, you can make more projects, I guess. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to make a cold DM that you can, what you have learned, what you can provide. You can say that I see that you are working for these things, I can provide you a better website, I can provide you a personal portfolio website, whatever you can provide, do a DM. Okay, and there is the first thing that I know while doing these things is, sometimes what happens is people ignore your first messages. In that case, what you have to do is, if people ignore your first message, do a follow-up message after 1 week. After 1 week, you have to do a follow-up message. In that follow-up message, you can ask anything like, are you interested of this and this thing. If he or she did not reply to that message, then you can just ignore them. Otherwise, there will be high chance, if you do 2 or 3 follow, max 3 follow, then the person will 80% chance, then they will apply. What kind of projects we can write by front-end developer? Okay, so I will let you know what type of front-end development. You can make API related projects. Okay, you will get the attendance at 470, 745. So you can create API related projects. Okay, you can build JavaScript game. API related, like weather API, you can use weather API, snake, lizard. There are many games you can build. You can make using CSS and JavaScript. You can make CSS and HTML. You can make personal portfolio. You can make productivity time things like calculator, productivity meter, lead code, like there, you can say there are so many contests happening. Okay, lead code, code forces, something like this. So what you can do, you can fetch the data from here using that APIs. Using the APIs, you can fetch all the contest data into your website. So you can make something, some project like this, which will help you as well as your community. Okay, so these are the some projects. I hope I answered that. So these are the projects that you can build. There are so many projects you can build. So after, what we have to do is, let me just share my screen. Just so what we will do, there are one website which is known as Angel List. Angel List. So here, if you are learning front end development, just type front end developer. Just type front end developer, and you will get thousands, not hundred. You will get thousands of openings there. Front end developer. Okay, and their paying are very high as compared to other, like if you go Internships or any other website, their paying is very low, like 2,000, 5,000. But if you go to there, you will get 30,000, 40,000 and more. Okay, so what you have to do is, search front end development, front end developer. Okay, some web developer internship, front end developer internship. Search this type of keyword, and you will see so many openings. Now the thing happening is, what you have to do is, from those openings, you do not have to fill directly your form. What you have to do is, before filling that form, you have to find who have, like, who have posted that. Let me know if audio and video is coming or not. Hello. um Hello, just let me know in the chat section that is audible or not. Okay, so let continue with that. So in angel list, what you have to do is you have to find who have posted that job, and you have to search that person into your LinkedIn profile. Okay, on LinkedIn. Yes, sir. Okay, got it. So just search over there and then do a cold DM. In that cold DM, you will write hello, your name. You are a like if I write how I will write hello. I am Vishal, final year undergraduate student at NSIT. So in one line, I have give my introduction, my name and as well as my college introduction. And the second line, I would write my all, you can say my all, what are my skills. So I can write, yeah, I am working as I have worked for 5 years startup as a front end developer intern. If I haven't worked, so I can write something like this. I have proficient in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, or whatever the skills you have. After that, you will write that could you please refer me for, there will be some job ID. Okay, could you please refer me for front end developer role in your company. Okay, you can write this message, and if you write 5 to 10 message to the same company, you will definitely you will get a single referral, and from that you will get an interview call. Because in this startup there will be not like first of all you have to go a test, there will be direct interview round. Okay, if they like their your resume, your work, your profile, because you have already built your profile in the second step. If they like that those things, then they will directly give you an interview call. So in that interview, whatever you already know the thing, so you can easily solve every question, because you already have the project, you have a practical knowledge, you have the conceptual knowledge, theory knowledge, so you can clear those. So the first thing that in off campus you will get is you will never get an interview call, and I will solve that problem. How to get this? Find from angel list who have posted and send the DM. Okay, this is the first way. The second way is you can directly, there is a job section in LinkedIn. Okay, you can directly use LinkedIn. Second is directly use LinkedIn. There is a job section here, so you can go to the job section and write same thing: front end developer, web developer, back end developer, whatever you want to write, and find who have posted that. Okay, who have posted that. Do not fill the form, because there are the things like I would say, like there are so many people who don't even see there will be thousands of people who are filling the form. Then getting your selection of your chances will is very less. But there are hardly tens of students who are doing this thing, who are directly connected with HR. So your chance will be high. So here your chance will be for getting an interview is much higher than doing this. So what I do is do directly connect with them. So in LinkedIn there will be two things. First of all, check out the job section. Who have posted, connect with them, directly message. Second is search hiring. There are the people in those bio, there will be written hiring or recruiter for this. So search those profile. Okay, and DM them. Okay, I will surely share my message. How do I get there? So you have to write a very short and crisp message, so that, because if you write very long message, everyone will be ignore that message. Okay, so you have to search this LinkedIn, and the LinkedIn you search this job section, hiring section, and there you do a cold DM. What you can do is from here you can find the emails also from LinkedIn. If you go to the contact section, in that contact section you will find the email also, because this LinkedIn is a professional platform. So many people are get so many DMs also, but they will very regular, because they are professional, so they will check out their mails regularly. So the same message you can write over DM. Okay, so if you do these two things, then you will surely get your interview round. So if you, I guess the things are very clear how to get interview round. Okay, so this is the all about how you can get an internship through off campus in startups. And if you have any question, so let me know. If you have any question, so let me know. Otherwise, I will continue in any of the 3 points which I have tell you: how to get those skills, how to showcase your skills, how to ask for opportunities. If you have understand these 3 things, then let me know. Write in the chat section, not in the write in the chat section if you understand these 3 things: first, second, and third. Okay, so the second way of doing that, this is the first way. The first way is wait a minute. So the first off campus opportunity that I have tell you, the first off campus opportunity is internship. The second is you can get so many open source programs. So there is open source program. Let me know how many of you know what is open source program and what is this open source. Let me know. I will guide you how to contribute to this and how to get open source program or not. You can write in the comment section so that I can briefly describe what is that. Best opportunity for Java language. So for Java, you can use the backend, work for a backend developer, or you can work as a Java developer. You can search a Java developer profile. You can work for a backend developer profile. Java is used for backend also, so you can search for this profile. So how to get this open source? Basically, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to make your account at github.com. Once you have made your account, I will tell you like how to show your own skills. So you have built your 5 to 6 projects. If you have built this project, then surely your friend also built 5 to 6 projects. It may be possible they are same, it may be possible they are not same. So what you have to do is, you have to publish your this project onto GitHub. So once you upload this onto the GitHub, what will happen? They will be publicly accessible, that anybody can read your code, and if they want to improve your code, then they can. Similarly, you can do, if you have uploaded your project and you find in your friend project there are some mistakes, okay, there are some bugs, there are some issues, so you can solve her project. Okay, when you have solved those projects, then you can search on GitHub some trending project, okay, and you can contribute to them. So let's say if you are contributing to a project X, okay, project X, so there may be possibilities that maintainer this maintainer need some you can say some full time or someone to, then they can provide internship. So whom they will provide those like they can do 2 things. They can write like they can go for a job opportunity section and post job. Second, they know already you have already worked on those projects, you already know how to work, they already have seen your work, okay, so because they have already seen your proof of work, so they will directly DM you, or you can say mail you that hey, I have already seen your open source work and I am very impressed by your work, so I have front end developer and this opening in my startups, and if you want to work under me, then do let me know. Okay, so these are the way by which you do not have to apply for the opportunities comes on your way if you do this open source work. So in that, first of all, you have to give some time your first 2 to 3 months to working for to understand how this open source thing works, to finding those trending projects, to finding those projects is, and if you find those projects is, then you continue consistently working on that, so you will definitely get those results. Is everything clear, like how to do open source and internship related things? So let me know if you have any doubt. If anywhere you have any doubt, just let me know. Just let me know if you have any doubt. Otherwise, if you need any suggestion or anything in the off-campus opportunity, so let me know. Attendance form will be available by 9:45. Till then, you can, if you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter. If you are someone who want to learn front end development, if you want to learn front end development and or DSA things, then you can check out my channel. I have also like do content creation on these things. Can you apply for front end developer internship without much knowledge of DSA? Yes, you can. To be very honest, in this startup, I have already tell you what is the scene of startup. Let's understand. So what this happen? Actually, my communication in English is very poor. How do I improve? So let me first of all solve the first problem is, so how this, when you apply for this and you get an interview, so what are the procedure of interview? Let me clear with you. So in the startup, what will happen is the first round. In the first round, they will ask very general question. They will ask very general question depending on your resume, that what are the projects you have built, what are the things that you have done, and how was your learning, and how did you learn, from where did you learn. These are very generic. This will 10 to 15 minutes to let you know, like then if they find your profile worth it, then they will do a machine coding round. In the machine coding round, there can be 2-3 possibilities. Most of the startups that you find through angel list or you directly DM, they will not ask DSA. Most of the startups. Okay. So because they want a web developer, they do not want a software engineer, and you are asking for a specific role. Who know the specific thing? Okay. Software developer is very generic, I can say, because in that you can go to in front end, back end, or anywhere. But you are applying for a specific thing, so they will ask for the specific thing. So like if front end developer, what they can ask you question related to like question related to JavaScript. Okay. In that case, how to like, if you they know want ask for the JavaScript question, how to prepare for that? Just search more ask interview question. Most asked interview question, I would say there are hardly 20 to 30 problems. There are hardly 20 to 30 questions which will always repeat it. Okay, like let what is host, what is scope, okay, what is closure, okay, what is hosting. They are the some questions which are repeated in like most of the interview. So if you are sitting for this, just ask that. Like if you are sitting for backend developer, just write on Google most asked interview question of Node.js, okay, or Java or backend developer. You can write these terms. You will see 20 or 30 sets of question. Just read about them and you are ready. I would guarantee that this 20-30 question is always repeating. So if they are question based, so you can do that. Otherwise, if it's machine based, in machine based, what they can do, they can give you an API. They will give you API. Let's say they give you a news API. They give you a news API and ask you to make a simple portals, simple website in which through this news you have to sort sometimes some thing, or you can they can have, say that hey, build a to-do list. Okay, they can say build a calculator. So these are the things they will do generally. Okay, they do not ask BSS related problem. They will ask JavaScript related question if they want to check your theory, if they want to check their your fundamentals or your like how much you know the things how to develop, then they will ask to build this thing. Okay, these are the two possibilities. They will rather ask. Very, I have seen very less company who ask a DSA for front end development role. Actually, my communication in English is very poor. Two things you can do is, the very first thing is take your phone, okay, open a front camera, and whatever you are doing, whatever you want to do in a day, whatever you want to do, just speak to yourself. Just speak to yourself. Okay, in or I would say in earlier time, what we used to do is we used to talk in front of mirror. But what happened in front of mirror is, if you are talking to front of mirror, you can see how you are expressing yourself. But after after 1 hour you will forget at how you express yourself. So when you record yourself, okay, you can see what are your shortcomings, okay, and you can improve on that shortcoming. So the best thing is do practice. How to practice? Just open a camera, and in that camera speak for 1 minute only, okay, for the first month speak for 1 month. And what you have to speak, I have give you several ideas. You can speak on any topic, your myself, what you want to do today, what you have done today, okay, what is your today's goal, okay, what you want to learn, okay, or any topic you want to talk. If you have no topic, then you can do this thing. This is the best way of to do list, okay. You have asking yourself, hey, I will do this thing, and if you are telling somebody, then you have to do this thing. So this is very productivity hack that I use, and you can use for the communication also. So after that, I hope this answer your how to improve your communication skills. And basically, the much you talk, the much you become better. Okay. After doing this, if you are enough confident while talking to yourself, call your friend, and do an online meeting. Okay. Do enough. You are hesitate to call your friend because they can mock you. What you can do? Connect with LinkedIn connection. Do a DM. Hey, just let's do a coffee chat. Okay, let's connect on Google Meet. Okay, just share the Google Meet, connect with them, talk what you are learning, what are you are learning, ask what they are learning, how their days go. Okay, do things will be helpful for you. Now, from where we can get some template that we can learn and follow those people, practice new things, and improve ourselves before applying job. So you can just Google it. You will find everything. If you Google, and you will find everything, I would say. And I have also write on the LinkedIn, I have also write this 2 to 3 posts which will help you to find that template. I have already posted that template on LinkedIn. If you want to get that template, just connect with me on the LinkedIn, and just do a DM on LinkedIn. I will share the template with you. Okay, if you are into front-end development, or someone who want to just get into the off-campus opportunity, and if you are struggling to get an off-campus opportunity, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, and I will help you to get that. Okay. Any other question? If you have, just do, and just do fill this attendance form for your certificate of participation. Everyone should fill this attendance form so that you can get your certificate. Let me know in the comment section like if you have any doubt. Otherwise, we can conclude this session. If you have any doubt, just let me know in the chat section. If you want to connect with me on the LinkedIn, Twitter, or YouTube, or if you want to learn front-end development, I will share the links in the comment section. You can check out that also. Let me know in the comment section whatever you have doubt. Any doubt if you have. Okay, I hope everything is clear to you. If you have any doubt, just let me know. Okay. Somebody have a doubt, just write it down, whatever doubt you have, then we will go. This thing, I think. On campus. Right now, our placement is ongoing, so we will get on campus internship, or on campus placement is ongoing. So company is going to coming at the starting of like end of July. So companies start NSIT at the end of July, you can say 25th of July. How many days we will have internship? So like it can be 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, depending on like how many months you want to get do the internship. No, I didn't apply for the on-campus internship. I already for that time I already have the off-campus internship. I got my internship before like our college internship started at July and I got my first internship at January. Placement लगवा दो. Yeah, so just go and check out like if you want to learn DSA, just check out my YouTube channel. You will get so many things to get your placement done. Do let me know if you have any question. You can check. I have already made so many playlists. If you want to learn like front end development, health map, binary tree, you can check out all the things here. I hope this session was helpful for you. If it was helpful for you, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Do like this video and subscribe to this channel. My comma I didn't like yeah I sorted for that, but that was for a tester role, so I didn't continue that. Okay, I hope this thing make very clear to you. Just do and like and subscribe, and I hope the time is 9:50. Yeah, 7:50. So just let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, or I can just wind up the thing. Internship training. Basically, there are you do not need to like you should not pay for any internship. Intern pay for you. Okay, you should not pay them. Contact Mridul CP board for placement. हाँ, all आते हैं but all paid होते हैं. All paid. Oh no, they are like you can. If you want to like I have covered everything about DSA. Like if you have search my LinkedIn playlist, so in linked list you will get all the fundamentals to most class interview questions. So whatever you want, you just check out that linked list playlist. It will cover all topics. You want to whatever the playlist I have make, it cover everything from fundamental to most of interview problem. If you cover watch that playlist, then definitely you will solve any problem regarding that. 2 months your training is over. After that, if you are doing internship, then you should ask for payment. Okay, if it is a 1 or 2 month training pay, then it is like I would say it's okay, but I would suggest just search on YouTube. Now you will get so many things for free, so why do you need training? Okay, just do an internship, valid internship. I have show you AngelList from at AngelList or LinkedIn. You will get so many good opportunities which will pay you very well. I didn't understand. I was late. When will your internship start? My internship started in January 2020. 2021. Sorry. And in last like 1.5 year, I have worked for 5 startups. So my first internship started in January 2021. Who is Mridul CP Code? You can just check out Mridul LinkedIn profile. You will get. Okay. I guess time is over. So if you have any doubt, you can just write in the comment section. I will check out the comment section also. Okay. So let's bind the meeting for today. Bye.